President Trump hits a diplomatic wall with Mexico over his building plans. And look who's back. At Issue assesses the Prime Minister's cross-country listening tour. Will it change anything? And Rex has his thoughts on the Trump effect on Trudeau. In ancient Greek mythology, a chimera is a monster with the body of a lion, the tail of a snake, and a goat's head somewhere in the middle. No one's trying to create that, but scientists announced today they have created a chimera of sorts, an embryo that's part animal and part, wait for it, human. As Christine Birak explains, it's a major milestone that comes with concerns.
This is it. Human stem cells being injected into a pig's embryo. For the first time, scientists are seeing how our cells grow and interact inside an animal. This pig, the first known chimera.
The ultimate goal for this type of research is to whether we can use this technology to generate human tissue and organs. That's going to give us a lot of unique insights.
Right now, scientists are nowhere near that goal, but recent studies have shown how that process can work using gene editing. Scientists would delete a specific piece of an animal's DNA, so its embryo wouldn't be able to grow a heart, for example. Then they'd inject that embryo with human stem cells, which move into the void and grow a human heart. The embryo would then be put back inside the animal to develop.
The possibility of growing human cells and tissues inside animals is an exciting first step for the dream of generating tissues and organs for transplantation into humans. We're still far away.
To date, everything the researchers have done is legal, but what they're doing is highly controversial. The embryo is only being allowed to develop for 28 days. It's not allowed to be born. Bioethicists say this research raises a lot of uneasy questions.
The boundaries between what it means to be human and what it means to be non-human can become quite blurred. Also, it's not great for the animals. There's risks for them. There's no benefits for them. It may help a lot of people, but the moral status associated with this is a deep, deep, deep question.
That word, chimera, from Greek mythology is meant to elicit fear. But the scientists argue they are trying to solve a problem and save lives, not create a monster. Christine Birak, CBC News, Toronto.
Well, as Christine mentioned, there's theoretical potential for growing human organs in other animals, but another recent experiment serves as a better proof of concept. It used rats and mice. Researchers engineered rats to have no pancreas. Then they injected mouse stem cells into rat embryos, stem cells that carried the info to make a pancreas. Soon, they had fully grown rats with the pancreas of a mouse. And there's more. They took the pancreatic cells responsible for making insulin and put them into diabetic mice. And those mice became healthy.